Hello guys, welcome to All About WordPress. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to create a login and registration form in your WordPress website. Today, I am going to create this by using the plugin User Registration Custom Registration Form, Login and User Profile for WordPress, as you can see here. So let's start. For that, we need to install this plugin first. So I am copying this name from here. I am going back to my dashboard. You can see the plugin option here. Click on Add New. In the search box, paste the name and search it. So you can see here is our plugin. Install it by Install Now. And activate it. Here I am just going for the default one. So I am just selecting Install User Registration Pages. Here you can always add a new one by selecting Add New option under User Registration. Click on that. Selecting the options, whatever you needed to include in your login form, just select it and complete the login form. So here I'm just going for the default one and next moving to settings page. Here you can see general options, login options and front-end messages. In general options, where you can see a lot of options to change the settings of your login and registration form. And the first option here it is user login option. Here the default option is set as manually login after registration, which means after registration the user will be needed to go manually to my contact page and then they need to log in for completing the process. So while you click on the drop down arrow here, you can see other options available. The second one is email confirmation to login, which means user will receive a verification link via email for the registration to complete. And the third one is auto login after registration. That means user will be automatically redirected to the login page after registration. And the last one is admin approval after registration. Here the admin approval is required for completing the registration. Here I am going for auto login after registration. The next option is here, prevent dashboard access. I'm just going for the default one, the subscriber. And the next option is enable hide or show password. And you know what it means. Is the I option, which is you can usually see when you enter a password for the login process. I'm just clicking on the box here. And the next option is uninstall option. So when you tick the box here, you can remove all registration data once you deleted this plugin, which one you have installed just now. Next one is My Account section. Here you can change My Account page setting, which is a page which is defaultly created by the plugin. Here it is selected as My Account, which means once you click on My Account page, it will redirect the users to the My Account page. You can change it here from the drop down arrow to sample page, home, front page, or whatever page you need the user to be redirected. Here I need the same, so I am leaving as it is. Next is all about layout and profile and password editing details. I am not going to change any of this and simply saving the changes. After general option, you can see the login options here, where you can change the template as your style. I'm just leaving as it is, the default one. Or you can change from the drop down box here to a bordered, flat, rounded edge as you wish. Next one is enable remember me. It is for remembering your login. And the next one is enable lost password. And next one is a reCAPTCHA one. If you need a reCAPTCHA to appear while login, you can just enable it here. So the next one is registration URL. Here you have to enter the URL of the page which you need to direct the user once they click the registration option available in your website. For selecting this, just go to your website. Here's my website. Going down, you can see the registration option available here. Just select it and you can see the URL and just copying it. Going back to the dashboard, you can just paste it here. So that's our registration URL. Now just save the changes here. Next is frontend messages, which means messages that will appear once they completed their registration and login. The messages changes according to the user login option which you selected in general option, as you can see here. For example, if you select manual login after registration, the message will be user successfully registered. And also you can see the option for changing the text of error messages. I'm not changing anything, I'm leaving as it is and saving the changes. Here I completed my creation. Now we can go to the website and check how it looks like. Here's our website. You can see the registration and my account option available here. I'm just clicking on the registration option here. I'm opening this in an incognito window so I can show you, because in previous it is already signed in. So in this registration window, you can just type the username. I'm just giving it as Ashley, your email, I'm just giving a password, I'm just submitting it. And now you can see it has automatically redirected to the login page and it is logged in. Okay guys, that's all regarding the addition of login and registration page in your WordPress website. I hope you are ready to create on your own, and thank you.